Hey everyone, I'm back looking at pool cleaners, and today I've got a new model from Bubot called the Bubot 500P. This is a cordless, battery-powered robotic pool cleaner, and today I'm just basically going to go through and open the box up, check out how easy it is to set up, how easy it is to use, and then we'll look at how effective it was cleaning the pool. Real quick, I'll just show you the unboxing of it. Looks super simple, just got some instructions and a couple boxes of accessories that we'll open up here in a second. And then other than that, it is just a single piece. The pool cleaner comes pre-assembled, so definitely super easy pulling out of the box and getting it ready to go. Okay, so here's the full unit pulled out of the box. Just initial thoughts is it's pretty sturdy feeling. Definitely the kind of price point right below this. They work, but they feel kind of flimsy or cheap, and this one does got some weight to it and feels a little bit stronger. Also, these accessory packs, we'll just open up and see what's in here. So looks like you got charger for the system there, and then the black box got the rest of the charging cord. You've got your leash, which is needed to pull out of the pool when it's done, since it's cordless. And then you've got a hook you can use to grab it. You can put this on any kind of telescoping pole to grab it. And then lastly, you've got some just brushes. Typically we can put these on the bottom and they'll help brush the pool as it works. They also have the option to remove them just in case they're getting caught on any of your drains or anything like that. You can pop them off and just use them without the brushes on there. So charging the unit's very simple. Got our charger plugged in here, and then you'll just come down to your unit and you'll pull the seal off the top and plug in here. You'll get a green here showing that it's currently charging, and then you'll get a light here on the battery itself that shows red when it's charging, and it'll show green when it's fully charged. Typical charging takes around 2.5 hours. While it's charging for the first time, I'll go ahead and tie on my leash as well. So you just take your leash and cut it to the height of your pool. So you want to make sure that this part is floating when the unit's in the deepest part of your pool. And then no trick here, just pull it on and tie it up. All right, ready to get this thing in the pool. Again, super easy. All we're going to do is hold it, lower it in the pool and hold it by this handle until all the air is purged out of the system and it fills up with water. And then once we have that, we're just gonna twist this knob to the on position. So I think some previous units had a button that was kind of hard to push as you were lowering down there. So I'm excited to see this knob on here. You can just turn it quickly to turn it on. Once it's on, we're just gonna slowly lower it in with our leash. And the only thing you have to make sure is that it lands on its feet. If it lands upside down or something like that, obviously pull it back out and kind of lower it back down easier so that it lands on its feet. And you'll see the light turn blue again when it's running. I came out here just to give it a look mid-cycle and see how well it's doing, and just scanning the pool, man, it's really picked up a lot of the leaves and debris that was at the bottom of the pool. There was a ton piled up in the corners, and just looking at it now, there's none there. So I'm really excited for this thing to finish its cycle and pull it out so I can take a look inside and see how much of that stuff it pulled out of the pool. System has finished running its cycle, and the power is no longer on, so it's programmed to go next to a wall before it turns off completely to make it easier to pull out. So you can see here we got our leash. Just pull out on the leash, and all we gotta do is pull up on the leash until you get it to a spot where you can grab the handle, and here we'll just turn it off. So again, just twist the knob to the off position. Once you got that, what you're gonna do is just pull it out and let all the water drain out. So as the water is draining out, this system has something called the dirt lock technique. So basically it lets all the water come out of the system, but it keeps all of the leaves and dirt and particles and everything else that you just picked up from the bottom of your pool. It keeps it in the system so it doesn't all just flow right back into the pool. Once all of that water is out of it, we'll go ahead and pull it out and open it up and see what we got inside. To open this up, you're just gonna pull in these tabs on either side at the same time. So there's one right here and then one on this side. So all you gotta do is pull them out both at the same time, and then this whole top of the system will pull off. And then all that you have in the bottom here is gonna be your filter, and then all the debris and stuff that you picked up from the pool should be underneath the filter. Next, we'll just clean out the unit. So we'll just go ahead and dump all the debris, and then we'll use a garden hose to spray out everything in the bottom of the system. And then we'll also just spray out the filter and make sure it's clean and ready to use again. Everything's cleaned out now. We'll just put it back together. So your filter just sets back in there. You can see there's a groove here that sits on this piece right here. So it just sits back in there good. And then when you're putting the top back on, all you gotta do is look for the wheel parts that have this little convex cutout in them. Kind of see it there. Convex cutout there, and then you can see it again on the top cover. So just make sure those are lined up, and you slide it back in, and it should snap back in. You'll hear the audible snap. There you go. So it's all back put together, ready to charge up and use again. Okay, lastly, if you want to adjust the path adjustment, there's a table in the manual. I'll put a picture of it down in the corner here, but that shows you how to do this. But basically you come to the front and the back, you open these flaps up, and you've got some fins here, right? So this is the vertical position, and then they just force them over to a left tilt or even a further left tilt. All right, my final thoughts on how easy this was to use and how it performed. So first off, ease of use. It can't get much simpler. Easy plug and play with the charging, on and off. You know, it's just a single turn of this knob, drop it in the pool, let it run its course, and you know, come back and after a couple hours and pull it out, empty out all the dirt and stuff that it's picked up. I really like this system, and it's gonna be the one that I'm gonna use in my pool going forward. You know, it's perfect for this medium-sized pool that you want to drop in there once or twice a week and just clean up kind of the bottom of the pool, the debris that collects down there. The price point was perfect for me, right kind of lower mid-tier, right? Not the lowest that you can do, but certainly not the most expensive system you can get. It really was perfect for my needs, got everything done that I needed to do, and was really easy to use and charge and all that, right? So like I said, there is a link in the description. There's also a promo code there that Bubot gave me to share with everyone. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, go click the link, check it out, you know, read some more reviews, look at the specs, see if it's something that you think that will work for you. If you end up using it, or if you have any questions, you know, drop a comment, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next review.